Hello everyone and welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located on 170th Street. Today we have the vibrant 2023 Lexus IS 300 F Sport Series 1 in the color Infra-Red. This is an all-wheel drive 6-speed automatic with LED headlamps and 19-inch alloy wheels. Coming to the driver's side, you have your mirror-mounted turn signals, keyless entry, and on the door panel you have your automated windows, locks, and mirror buttons. You have a 10-way automated driver's seat in the F Sport black leather. Beside your wheel, you have rain sensing wipers and your hatch opener. On your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth, cruise control, and your vehicle's maintenance information. Heading a center console, we have your LED display screen that can be controlled with your touchpad. This is where you can find multiple functions, including your navigation. Moving down, we have your dual climate controls, heated and cooling ventilated seats, your heated steering wheel button, your mode selector with snow option, touchpad, cup holders, and your armrest storage compartment. On your headliner, we have your auto-dimming rear view mirror, touch lights, and your sunroof controls. Headed to the back passenger area, we have keyless entry. There's a latch on each seat to fold down, and a middle seat armrest with cup holders. Coming to the back trunk area, we can open it with your key fob. You have a backup camera, plenty of storage space, and under the mat, you'll be able to find your spare tire.